Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger cabin filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. This allows the glove box to swing down, giving you access to the filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin filter is located. There are usually two small clips on either side. Unclip these to release the cover. Once the cover is off, you can gently pull the old cabin air filter straight out. Notice its condition; it might be quite dirty. Before inserting your new filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow should point towards the rear of the vehicle or downwards, depending on the model. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly without bending. A proper fit ensures maximum filtration efficiency for your Ford Ranger. Now, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring the clips snap firmly back into place. Next, push the glove box stops back into their original positions on the sides. Finally, gently close your glove box. You've successfully replaced your Ford Ranger's cabin filter, improving your vehicle's air quality and HVAC performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.